All right, so what's the probability that a student in 8th grade is male? All right, well, so everyone in this thing is in 8th grade. So I want male on top, which is 100, which is 92. So the total males is 92. All right, and the total kids in the grade is 187. Okay, and again, a lot of this is reading and figuring out if you're in the right spot. What is the probability that a student in 8th grade is not interested in the after school study session? Well, again, there's 187 kids in the 8th grade. No column totals 85. So that means 85 of the students are not interested in having an after school study session. What is the probability that a female student is interested in an after school study session? Now, I got to think about this. It didn't say what is the probability that a student, it says what is the probability that a female student. So we're only looking at that row right there of information. So there are 95 total females. And this is where these tables can ask questions where I've got to think about it. There's 95 females. What is the probability that one of those females is interested in the after school study session? Well, 50 of them said yes. All right. So 50 out of 95 are interested in an after school study session. And the big thing with these two-way tables is they're consistently asking you questions where you don't use everybody. It limits it to one column or one row. Those are actually conditional probabilities, which we'll talk about a little bit later in this unit. But this is kind of the lead into those conditional probabilities. When it's in a table, it's very easy to answer the questions. When it's not, there's some formulas and things that we'll have to look at.